Hi, this is Greg from Asus ROG, and in this video we're going to take a look at the ROG Strix Hero 2 notebook and the ROG Strix Scar 2. These two laptops have been designed specifically for the esports and competitive gaming community, and although they may look very similar, there are a few key differences. Each one specializes in different game genres, so the internal components and design are slightly different. If you're an FPS or Battle Royale player, then you're going to want to use the Strix Scar 2. It features an NVIDIA GTX 1070 to give you the high frame rates that you need for fast-paced gameplay. The WASD keys are also highlighted since those are the keys you'll be using the most. Now, if you're into MOBA games, the Strix Hero 2 was built just for you. It features an NVIDIA GTX 1060, and of course we've highlighted the QWER keys. Beyond the difference in the graphics cards, the internal specs are nearly identical between them. Both feature a 6-core, 8th generation Core i7 CPU, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory at 2666 MHz, a 256 gigabyte PCIe SSD, and an additional 1 terabyte HDD for the Hero 2, whereas the Scar has a 1 terabyte SSHD hybrid drive. Both models feature similar design cues like the offset ROG logo and the diagonal slash across the back. However, each one has a slightly different finish. The Scar 2 has contrasting brushed metal to create the diagonal slash, whereas the Hero 2 combines a brushed metal finish with a smooth anodized finish. On the inside of the Hero 2, the slash design continues with a brushed metal finish and 3D texture cyberpunk pattern similar to our Strix motherboards. The Scar 2 also features a 3D printed texture, but this has a Kevlar and camouflage design. The finish on both models is also designed to be fingerprint resistant. Their 15.6-inch IPS-type Full HD displays feature a 144Hz refresh rate and an extremely quick 3 millisecond response time. These laptops also utilize an ultra-narrow bezel around the display for a more immersive gaming experience. The dual fan cooling system features two 12-volt fans with an updated design that allows for more blades, resulting in greater airflow and better cooling efficiency. For all of you RGB lighting fans, there are 3 AuraSync RGB lighting zones: the ROG logo on the rear, the keyboard, and then the light bar across the front. Each zone can be controlled separately and customized using the included AuraSync software. For connectivity, both feature a LAN connection, mini DisplayPort, full-sized HDMI 2.0, dual USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C connection. On the other side, there is an SD card reader and an additional USB 3.1 Gen 2 connection. For wireless connectivity, they use a quad antenna system that automatically selects which 2 antennas to use at any given time to optimize the 2x2 802.11ac Wi-Fi signal. So this has been a quick look at the ROG Strix Scar 2 and the ROG Strix Hero 2 15.6-inch gaming notebooks. If you guys have any questions about these or any of our other products, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.